Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel AI Basics with AK. I'm thrilled to embark on my season 3 with you. In our previous seasons, that is season 1, we have explored why AI, and we have in season 2 we have delved into the Python programming basics. It's just an introduction. We will further do the next version of Python programming also in the next sessions. So, in this entire season, we will learn about statistics, which is actually the fundamental backbone of data driven decision making, and which is one of the most crucial aspect of an AI, which is often overlooked these days. But I felt it is always better to revisit the season 3. Forget about the title. I think I have not changed it. It is the introduction, understanding statistics kind of a thing. So let's get into the slides directly. Season 3, Introduction to Statistics. Episode 1, What is Statistics? What is it really? Get into it. Wow, I'm excited. So, this is the quick agenda that we will go through in our episode today. What is statistics? And descriptive versus inferential statistics, why AI needs statistics, and we'll see some real life examples and some quick takeaways. It's very simple kind of a thing. My intention is to lay the importance of statistics in the space of AI. So, what is statistics? Statistics is more than just numbers and graphs. It is science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting the data. It's not just numbers, it is the science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting the data. It helps us to make sense of the world by transforming the raw data into the meaningful insights. So that's what it is. It's like a flashlight in the dark cave of data. That's what it will reveal patterns. It supports better decision making in an uncertain conditions. So, what's is descriptive and inferential, which is most common we heard about it. Description, it's like a summarization of data. Input, put it simple. It's like taking a snapshot of data, you take a picture and then you summarize kind of a thing. What is inference? It's like, oh, what could have happened? Okay, maybe it's like a prediction. Oh, maybe you study 3 4 people, right? Maybe you try to guess, okay, maybe this group is behaves like this. It's like you try to collect a sample of data and just generalize that behavior, right? So that is called an inferential statistics kind of a thing. It's like and most often I do it personally kind of thing. When I go to a bookstore, it's that, okay, I read it few pages and then I just justify that book, okay, should I buy it or not. So that's also inferential statistics. Beauty, right? So why AI needs statistics? Of course, the fundamental, when you build models, how do you evaluate the model and how do you train the model, and after all everything, how actually you can actually make a decision about it. Without statistics you cannot do all these things, sexy things kind of a thing. You have to understand these basics kind of a thing. What is an accuracy, what is an error, what is a variation. Let's not worry about machine and ML algorithms because they are more statistically driven, but you should understand the beauty of the statistics behind it, the maths behind it. Just appreciate how it is actually built. Beauty. So that's why AI needs statistics, because statistics is like the fundamental backbone. Like the computer, maybe we might be seeing all these things, but back into a computer it's all binaries, right? The statistics is like the binaries for an entire AI algorithm, entire AI. Let's quickly review some of the real life examples. Like in health, one of the questions is that what is an average heart rate of a 30-year-old? Yes, this is a statistical question. Education, do students who sleep more perform better? I love sleeping more, so that's why I kept this question. Sports, how consistent is a cricketer's performance? Yeah, I love cricket, so I kept it. Maybe somebody can keep baseball or something, whatever they like it here. In every case, we need 3 steps here. One is data, second is understanding, and third is a decision. So let's see a couple of use cases. In this use case, consider an A by B testing is in businesses. Means companies test two versions of a product, which is product A, product B, and want to see which performs better. Precisely, statistics help determine which version leads to a higher customer engagement, which we will see it in the future episodes. Lovely, right? And for the government rely on statistics for planning and policy making. Census data informs decision on resource allocation, infrastructure development, and so on, so on, so on. Beauty, isn't it so? So the so-called government planning is actually the basis for our statistics is the basis. Now, let's come back to my visual demo example, which is the question that we had seen it. Do students who sleep more perform better? Of course, I made up the data here. Obviously, we can infer that more sleeps correlate higher exam scores because the person who has slept only for 4 hours has got 60 in exam score. The person who has got 8 hours has scored 8, exam score is 85. So you can see that there is a pattern. The person who is sleeping less has a lower exam score. Person who is sleeping for more hours has a higher exam score. And we should not project it for 10-12 hours. So that we will learn in the next episodes. How do we infer it more accurately, kind of a thing. So what are the key takeaways? Statistics transform data into actionable insights. It's fundamental to AI enable learning and decision making. That's what I have said it here. And we have seen that descriptive is nothing but summarization and inferential is nothing but generalizing, kind of a thing. And we have also seen that AI is built on statistical reasoning, which is the fundamental for AI for kind of thing. And we have seen also the real life examples of couple of use cases of government and business. And of course, the last example, the sleep and an exam score, is we are using stats in our everyday life. Beauty, right? I hope you love this episode. What's coming up next? It's types of data. What is categorical, numerical, structured, unstructured, why data matters a lot. Of course, I request you to stay curious, kind of thing, on these episodes. Thank you. I'll see you in the next episode. Have a lovely week and have a lovely day. I'm very excited because statistics is core to my heart. I hope we'll learn together. Lastly, if you do like, please subscribe and give a like to this video. Don't forget, we have more seasons and this is going to be huge. It's not just small things. We'll slowly build one after the other. I hope you stay with my journey. Thanks a lot.